Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at Istext and Isnontext. If we have various things in here, all right, so we've got a few things. Let's see what this says. If I say Istext and I copy that down and copy that, it would help if I made it the right formula. Isnontext. These should all just be the opposite because it's the opposite question. Is it text or is it non-text? Is it text? That's true. So Excel won't take the word for and make it non-text. It treats it as text. Is it non-text? False. It is text. Is the number just a straight up for text? False. It is non-text. 5.5. Is it text? False. It is non-text. 5.4.3 automatically is formatted as text. So is text comes back true. I've said before about alignment that if you see something automatically get aligned to the left by Excel, then it's treating it as text. If it automatically aligns it to the right, then it's treating it as a number. So what's the difference between a number and non-text? So words is obviously, words are text, and they are not non-text. What makes something non-text but is not a number? A date is not text, it is non-text. With this 15, I put a single quote mark or an apostrophe before I typed 15. It's a shortcut for Excel that I want to format the cell to be text. If you put the apostrophe, see that you can't see the apostrophe in the text itself. And if I copy it over here and paste it over here, see, you can't see that apostrophe, but it does treat it as text. Whereas if I copy this 72 and paste it over here, it treats it as a number and aligns it to the right. What I did with this, as I typed it, I put parentheses around 1000. Excel will automatically format numbers that are in parentheses. If they're alone in the cell, it will format them as negative numbers. That's from accounting notation. This one, I typed the apostrophe before the parentheses to indicate to Excel that I wanted it to treat it as text, so that it kept it as 1000 inside parentheses. And then 55%, anytime you type percent after a number, it will automatically be formatted as a percent format. Like over here, if I type 0.55 and then I ask the question, does this equal that? That's true. All right, so that's Istext and Isnontext. Next, we're going to look at the function not, N-O-T. See you there.